Hey, I'm taking plants that it's fall. We're going into fall. We've had a really hot summer, so some of these plants look pretty bad. I'm going to take and repot them. I have a geranium here. I don't give up on my stuff. We surely have a couple months left. So I've got my dirt in this bucket. Putting this in here, and this one too. Want to put a little bit of fertilizer in there. Now these plants could probably be overwintered. I don't have a greenhouse yet, but I'm hoping maybe by next year I'll have one, but I'm going to try to overwinter them in the shop. It's not heated, but I'm going to put things by a window. Fertilizer in there. And then I'm going to cut them and water them good, and they will look pretty probably through November. So where I cut them at is like, this one's so tall. I'm going to go ahead and go down to here, and then I just stick them back in the dirt. And if you keep them moist, they'll root right in the dirt. I'm going to cut it right here. There's a node. Here. Take off all the dead ones. Even though this one looks pretty bad, it really will be fine. And I'll cut this one right there. Stick it in here where it looks a little bare. Stick a little more dirt in there. And I'll water it good. And then I'll find a pot for this one, and I'll do the same thing. I'll just clean it up. This I'm going to get rid of, but there's 2 red geraniums there that will look really pretty once clean. Have a great day. And one more thing I want to start adding. I always write this at the end of my blog. Do what you love, if only to dream a bit, because dreams can become reality.